Hi Year 3, welcome back. So we are on our second lesson of subtracting money. Okay, so today we're going to be finding the difference. And again, I'm going to be showing you different ways to work out calculations. And you can choose what way is best for you. Okay, so our question is, which costs more and how much more does it cost? Okay, so first of all, let's write out how much each of them cost. So the tomatoes cost £5.65. The pears cost £3.25. Okay, so let's answer this first question here. Which costs more? Quite an easy one. So the tomatoes cost more. Okay, so now we need to find out how much more do the tomatoes cost than the pears. Okay, how much more do they cost? So again, two ways to show you. Instead of starting on £5.65 this time, we're going to start on £3.25. Okay, so we are going to I'm going to count to the next to 65p. Okay, so if we're on £3.25, I want to get to £3.65. If I'm on £3.25, how many more pence do I need to get to £3.65? Let's count with me. So if we're on 25, get those piano fingers out. 25, count in tens. 35, 45, 55, 65. Okay, so that's going to add 40p more. Okay, we're going to get to £3.65. We need to get to this figure here, £5.65. So if we're on £3.65, how many whole more pounds do we need to get to £5.65? Let's count in pounds. £3.65, £4.65, £5.65. So that's going to be £2. Okay, so let's just put £5.65. So we can say the tomatoes cost £2.40 more than the pears because we are going to add these two together. Okay, so £2 plus 40p equals £2.40. Okay, awesome. So another way we can work this out, okay, is if we take the money away. So I've got £5.65. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20, 40, 65. And I'm going to take away £3.25. So £1, £2, £3. And now let's take away 25p. 25. Let's see if we've got £2.40 left. Count with me. £1, £2, 20p, 40p, £2.40. Okay, perfect. We were correct. We would check we were right. Remember, if you have money at home, lots of loose change at home, or if you're doing this at school, then you can use the money to help you as well. That's fine. Okay, that's absolutely fine. Do what you do as best. What you think is best. So, guided practice. You're going to subtract £1.25 from £5.85. So let's write the calculation out. £5.85. Take away £1.25. Okay, I'm going to get the money out this time. Just for this one, so I want to show you different ways. £5, 50. Cool. Let's get 2 10s, 60, 75. Okay, that's the amount we need. Okay, because we're crossing them off. We don't need any more. We don't need to get the £1.25 because that's how much we're taking away. Okay, so we need to take away £1.25. So we have 85p here, then we have £5. I can't just take £5 away because I only need to take £1 away. So, just like we usually do, we're going to exchange that £5 note into £5 coins. So £1, £2, £3, £4, £5. Okay, so still got £5 there, but I'm using a note because it's easier to get rid of. Okay, so £1, and then I need to take away 25p. 10, 20, 5. How much have I got left? Count with me. £1, £2, £3, £4, and 50 pence. Okay, so now we need to find the difference between £10 and 75p and £6 and 15p. Okay, so with finding the difference, I like to use a number line to see the difference. Okay, so £6 and 15 pence I'm going to start with the smallest number this time. And we are going to work out how many more we need to get to £10 and 75 pence. Okay, so let's go £6.15. Let's find out how much more we will need if we wanted to get to £10 and 15 pence. So we know 6 plus something is going to equal 10. And how much is that going to be? £4. So we're going to add £4. We don't need to change the pence because it stayed the same. Okay, just actually no, ignore that. We're going to keep counting in 10. So we've got on 15p. We need to get to 75p. Okay, so count with me in tens. 15p, 25p, 35p, 45p, 55p, 65p, 75p. So that's going to be another 60p. Okay, so and that's going to get us to £10 and 75 pence. So what is the difference then? We can write our sentence. What is the difference between £6.15 and £10.75? So we know we have to do £4 plus 60 pence equals £4 and 60 pence. Okay, so the difference between, we can write in a full sentence, £6 and 15 pence and £10 and 75 pence is £4 and 60 pence. Okay, so £4 and 60 pence is the answer. If you write that full sentence in a really big pink tick for you, because that's brilliant, well done. Okay, once I finish this, I'm going to pause it, and you're going to then go away and answer this guided practice and do exactly the same as me. So you can choose, you're doing it, and you're going to choose which one is best for you, like we did yesterday. Okay, so I'm going to try and move this up a little bit. Let's move that over there. Move that all. It's going to be a bit tricky to move all this. Let's put it over there for now. Okay, the last one. Which pair costs more and how much more? I think what I might actually do is put that there. Copy that. Excuse me about this little technical area, but I want it to be as clear as for you as possible. Okay, so I'm not going to have the yellow there just for this lesson, this slide. Which pair costs more and how much more? Okay, so we need to find the difference between £8.95 and £7.15. Okay, so what's the difference between them? Because those numbers are quite close together, I'm going to use a number line again to help me. Okay, because it's going to be a smaller amount. So let's start with £7 and 15 pence. And we need to get to, our target is going to be £8 and 95 pence. Okay, so let's look at what we know. Both of our ones in the pence end in 5. So this time, let's say, okay, so we know that. So we're going to still stick with doing our pounds first. So £7.15 plus £1 is going to equal what? Going to equal £8 and 15 pence. Okay. And then 15p, count with me until we get to 95p. 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. Okay, so if we added 80 pence more, we are going to get to £8.95. Okay, so we can say the flip-flops cost more. They cost £1.80 more than the trainers. Okay, because we have found the difference between £7.15 and £8.95. So they're £1.80 more. Okay, so pause this now, go back to this slide, and I want you to answer these questions, and you choose how you answer them. Okay, you choose how you do it. I've put these different methods here because it's good for you to choose which method is best for you. You might have a different method that you might want to use, but these methods get your mental arithmetic going. Okay, come away from the column for now. I don't want you to be using column at the moment. So activities, please see the activities below. You've got a series of blue questions, and if you want a challenge, you can challenge yourself with the yellow question. Okay, if you have any questions yourself or you're finding it a bit tricky, or you want to show me a different way that you found easier, then that's absolutely fine. You can email me. You can let me see if you like to. The answers are below as well, so you can also mark your work. Okay, good luck. Bye.